Indexes are a way to get consistent performance from your queries as your data grows. Indexes are key to getting good performance from MongoDB. Now, if you're familiar with indexes in SQL databases, MongoDB indexes are pretty similar. Indexes are essentially a way for MongoDB to pre-compute the result of a query, like how the index of a book can tell you where to find a certain word without searching through the entire book. So when there are no indexes, and you run a query like this searching for users with name John, MongoDB will do a collection scan to find documents that match the query. That is, MongoDB will search every single document in the collection to find documents that match the query. This is okay for small data sets, but collection scans become more and more expensive as your data grows. Now, when you create an index by calling the createIndex function in the shell, MongoDB creates a data structure that maps the values of the name field to documents that have that value of the name field. So now, when you ask MongoDB for documents where name is equal to John, MongoDB doesn't need to search every single document, it just reads from the map. Now let's see how this works for a larger data set. So for instance, in this case, we've inserted 5 million documents, and then one document with name John. Without an index, you'll notice that there's a slight delay in executing the query. Now naturally, a delay in searching through 5 million documents is not very web scale, so let's create an index and see what happens. So now we created an index on name, and let's rerun that query. As you'll see, the query is pretty instantaneous. MongoDB also has a notion of a multi-key index. A multi-key index is an index that keeps track of values in an array. Multi-key indexes speed up queries that require scanning through arrays, like this names array. A collection scan would have to scan through every single array in every single document. Now, creating a multi-key index is transparent. All you have to do is create an index on the array field. So when we execute this query searching for names where names contains John, you'll notice that there's a bit of a delay in executing the query because we haven't created an index on names yet. Now, creating a multi-key index, again, is transparent. All you do is just use the createIndex function and specify the field names. And now when you rerun the query, you notice you get back the result instantaneously. Now, multi-key indexes are powerful, but once again, be wary of arrays that grow without bound. Large documents take up more bandwidth, and multi-key indexes on large arrays have some significant performance overhead on MongoDB 3.0's default storage engine and MapV1.